I'm Thomas Smith, and if you're doing some winter cleaning around your house in the Bay Area, you might encounter some household hazardous waste. And this isn't necessarily the kinds of things you would think of as hazardous. It can be something as simple as old paint, solvents, cleaners, even things like fluorescent light bulbs that can't be thrown away in the normal trash. If you live in central Contra Costa County, there's an easy way to get rid of these things safely while you're doing your winter cleaning. You can simply take them to the hazardous waste drop-off site that's operated by Central San. It's located right by their water refinery in Martinez. And you can see here, you pull forward, you put the items into either your trunk or the hatchback of your vehicle or the bed of a pickup truck. Just pull into this facility. It's very simple and drive through. You show your ID to prove that you live in one of the communities served by this location. Again, most of Central San's territory in central Contra Costa County. And a technician will come right out to your car and take the items away for safe disposal. There's even a reuse room where items that are still usable can be picked up for free and reused for other projects. This has operated since the 1970s, and it's a really helpful facility. Also, while you're there, you can fill out a form to have access to recycled water, again at the same location. This is the recycled water fill-up point. And if you bring a container of 1 gallon or more and complete the certification, you can pick up recycled water to use to irrigate your plants and your trees in your garden. And it's a nice way to conserve drinkable water here in the East Bay, especially as we experience an ongoing drought. That water is completely free as well, so it can help to reduce your water bill. So drop off some of your household hazardous waste and get some water, pick it up, get it back to your house, get it ready for the spring planting season, which will be here sooner than you think as the winter draws to a close.